going down Akron, coming down from Lachman, you can turn on Akron down to Sunset and Bienvenida. East side is pretty much gone, but there's some houses here that are okay on Akron, on this lower slope of Lachman. There's also some that are not okay, unfortunately. This is Akron and Chattanooga. Here's Akron between Bienvenida and Chattanooga. It's looking pretty bleak. I don't know what this person's doing, but they're blocking the road. Oh, this is just brutal. Everywhere we go, in and of itself, one of these neighborhoods being gone would be a catastrophe. And there's 5 or 6, 7, 8, 10 neighborhoods that are just fucking gone.